Right, my friends, we have a car tire here, very dark side, and we have other tires lying on the floor. And today we're gonna test the Gymkhana ride. First, I will ride like a snake here, some kind of slalom. As you can see, there is not a big distance between these tires. Anyway, we're gonna try it on this huge motorcycle, and after that, we'll scratch the pads. Yeah, these pads here, as you can see, they already has some scratch, but we're gonna lie down and scratch the pads, and we'll see how it behaves. Okay, it's time to start our journey here. Woo, quite excited because this motorcycle is quite huge for Gymkhana. Now laying down with the motorcycle, laying this huge motorcycle here, scratch, come on. Okay, I just scratched my pad here, and again turn, lean, perfect. Wow, that was a scratch, and it's quite good. I'm really satisfied. Maybe I should lean more. It's quite a good place to check on your ride and etc. It's a perfect place. Scratch with the pads. So every lean I scratched, that was the maximum bang. So guys, here you can see this line is the maximum that the car tire touched the ground. And if I put the camera probably like this, you can see it's just on a border. It's just on the border, so it's totally safe. You have a good friction surface for your car tire. Even then you lean, you have a maximum lean of your motorcycle. I think it's good. I think it's more or less safe for your rides, and that's perfect if you ride on low speeds, of course. Now guys, I just want to make some orbits, make some maximum bank turns for you to see how the car tire will react. Of course I don't have the camera back on my tire, but we have the bank here. Some scratch. Woohoo! For now guys, I think I don't have any kind of big difference with a motorcycle tire. So if you love dark side, join it. Don't listen to anyone. For me, for sure I will return back my motorcycle tire. Then I test this one. Probably I'll ride all the season with this car tire, but later on, of course, I will change to my old Metzeler motorcycle tire, because I just like it. Because it's motorcycle, it should have the motorcycle tire, as I think. For now, my friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Like it, share it, and have a good time.
I am the king, you will not be.